Pwede. O, sige. Sandali na. At hindi. Okay na po siguro yun sa'yo. Hindi ko mahanap eh. Okay, so anyway, good evening ulit sa atin from the Philippines and good morning there in the US. So, I decided to talk about this newest product, newest addition sa ating website sa Atomy Philippines. And this is the Atomy Plasma Alpha 2. Okay? Sabay-sabay nating pag-aralan kasi I just look at the PowerPoint. So, inaral ko lang kanina and aralin natin ngayon. So this slide is the life expectancy in the Philippines. It started in 1950. As you can see here, pataas ng pataas po ang life expectancy natin dito sa Philippines. And now it's 2025. It's already above 75. And excuse me po lang. I'm sorry. Sorry. So it continues to go up. So we are expecting na hahaba po ang buhay natin sa Philippines. So we will be talking, kumbaga, dapat aware tayo sa mga problems na related to aging. Okay? So ito po, this Alzheimer's is also related with aging, no? And as you can see here, on the left, this is the normal brain and the right side is the brain with Alzheimer's disease. So yun po ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. And what are the causes and risk factors of Alzheimer's? Number one po, of course, is the age. But aside from age, meron ding other risk factors which are the family history, genetics, modifiable risk, and certain medical conditions na ito, mix of risk factors. Okay. So, ano po ang effect ng aging sa ating brain? Of course, there is oxidation of the brain. So, itong oxidation of the brain is brought about by aging, excessive stress. So, huwag masyadong magpa-stress if possible. Kung kayang iwasan, too much life information will cause the brain to oxidize, just like the skin, diba? So, just like the skin na gusto nating ma-preserve, we can also do something to preserve our brain. So, it is very important to take additional nutrition that will benefit to the brain during our daily life. Okay. So, what is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is a disease which is caused by polymerization of the amyloid B and the tau protein. Kumbaga, aging lang. So nagkakaroon ng mga plaques ang ating brain. These are the amyloid plaques brought by aging, of course, and also the tau protein. So ganito nangyayari, parang nag-shrink siya, nag-age, at nagkakaroon ng mga amyloid plaques. So ano po ang mga symptoms ng may Alzheimer's? Ito po ay, kumbaga, stages din. Before the onset of actual na Alzheimer's, meron tinatawag na before the onset, stage of before onset. Ito po yung nakaka-experience ng anxiety, depression, and forgetfulness. So, hindi naman necessarily na Alzheimer's agad, pero we can experience this. Anxiety, depression, and forgetfulness. Okay? Siguro, alam naman natin na tayo, pag nagkakaedad, kahit ako, sometimes, di ba, malilimutin na din. Sometimes, medyo lulungkot-lungkutan and anxiety. So, the early stage of onset naman, ito na yung difficulty in remembering recent events. Naaalala niyo yung dati, pero yung mga bagong memory, hindi masyado maalala. And there is also the declining of learning ability. Medyo mas mahirap na matuto. And there is also the loss of intelligence in the early stage of onset ng Alzheimer's disease. Ngayon, yung middle stage of onset, nandun na yung problems with language. Medyo nahihirapan na sa pagsasalita. Disorientation, yung parang hindi na masyadong aware, disoriented. And mood swings, yung konti lang, galit na agad, yung mga ganon. But the last stage of onset, ito na kumbaga yung pinaka severe na stage ng Alzheimer's is wala ng motivation, loss of motivation, behavioral issues, and loss of managing self-care, yung hindi niya na kayang alagaan ng sarili. Okay? So ito po yung mga simptomas ng Alzheimer's as it progresses. Okay, so ano po ang plasmalogen? Kasi itong ating product, di ba nakalagay dun plasmalogen. So what is plasmalogen? Plasmalogen po is a type of phospholipid that is found in abundance in the cranial nerve cells. So itong plasmalogen, nakikita po talaga ito sa ating nerve cells ng brain. And it is believed na yung amyloid B white matter, nag-iipon siya, nag-accumulate sa brain. Ang nerve cells, nadadamage siya, nag-degenerate pag dumadami yung accumulation ng amyloid B white matter. And ang effect ng plasmalogen, yung accumulation ng yung amyloid B na yun, nagkukos siya ng fogginess and inattention. And itong plasmalogen na to, ang effect niya is to inhibit aggregation or pinipigilan niya na magbuo-buo and promote degradation of amyloid B. So, promote degradation, ibig sabihin, tinutulungan niya pang mag-degrade or magwatak-watak or masira compared to other phospholipids. Yun lang ang concentration ng kanyang effect. And in particular, DHA-bound plasmalogen, which is abundant in C-squirt, exhibited this pronounced effect. C-squirt po, ito po ang pinanggagalingan ng ating plasmalogen. Okay? So, ito po, plasmalogen will decrease as people age. Okay? Habang tumatanda tayo, plasmalogen natin dun sa brain, kumukonti, bumababa compared sa mas mga bata pa. Di ba importante yung plasmalogen na nakakatulong para hindi tayo magkaroon ng Alzheimer's. Okay. And ito po, just to compare yung effect ng, yung content pala ng plasmalogen sa normal compared with those with Alzheimer's. So nakita naman natin dito, pag normal ang brain, which is the red, mas mataas. Pag may Alzheimer's, mas mababa na po yung level ng plasmalogen. Especially in the frontal lobe or dito sa harap na part ng brain natin. Okay. So ito po yung Atomy Plasma Alpha na meron tayo dito sa Atomy and bago lang po itong launch. Ang laman po niya is plasmalogen, krill oil, and MCT oil. Yung plasmalogen po, yan, okay, the same. Ang plasmalogen na ito, nanggagaling po dito sa sea squirt extract. Ang tawag po nila dito is sea pineapple. Sea squirt siya. So, ang effect niya, inhibits polymerization of amyloid B, accelerates the composition of amyloid B, and it has EPA-DHA bonded phospholipid. It is, kumbaga, itong EPA-DHA, ito yung nakakatulong, di ba, sa ating brain and highly content of plasmalogen. Nandun yan sa omega-3 fatty acids. Okay, those are omega-3 fatty acids. So, yung sea pineapple, doon po nanggagaling yung plasmalogen natin. So, ito plasmalogen. Meron siyang iron din, may zinc, may potassium, and of course, the EPA and DHA na nakukuha natin doon din. Okay. So, aside from that, number 2 component ng ating supplement na to is the krill oil. Ang krill po, ito yung mga kinakain ng whale yata. So this is sabi nga, it is the bottom of the food chain in the ocean. Kumbaga, kokonti ang kanyang mga contaminants kasi hindi masyadong kumakain ng mga, yung mga heavy metals na nagkukos ng toxins, di ba? Pati sa atin. So, tiningnan nila walang arsenic detected, walang dioxins and dioxide-like compounds na furan. Wala silang nadidetect. So, malinis siya. Eco-friendly way pati ang pag-capture and then control din yung pagkuha. Okay. So, that's the krill. And ang krill po, very high din siya sa DHA and EPA. Kagaya ng ating, di ba, yung ating fish oil. So, ito krill oil naman. Very stable siya. Nadidissolve siya kahit sa water. halos walang smell na malansa, and it can be dissolved in stomach acid and water. So madali siyang ma-absorb kahit sa oil. So ito pong oil na krill oil is very good antioxidant, excellent hydrophilicity. Ito po yung hydrophilicity, yung madali siyang matunaw sa water, and sa lipophilicity naman sa oil. Madali siyang ma-dissolve. High efficiency in absorbing and prevention of lifestyle diseases. So ang krill oil po, maganda rin po talaga siya. Okay, and ang krill oil, nako-convert din pala siya sa plasmalogen. So meron siyang synergistic effect. It is also effective to combine with krill oil. Yun, nako-convert siya into plasmalogen. So mas maganda yung ano niya, synergistic effect. The third component is the MCT oil. Meron din siyang MCT oil. Ang MCT oil po is medium chain fatty acids. Okay, ito po ay nakukuha from coconut and palm kernel. Isa rin po itong maganda rin siya for energy metabolism, high efficiency absorption, and of course helps both in health and beauty, ang MCT oil. Okay? Yan. Itong MCT or the medium chain fatty acid from coconut, palm kernel, breast milk, and milk. Okay. Diretso siyang digesting rapidly and being usable as energy directly. Kung madali siyang ma-absorb, nagagamit agad ng body as energy. Unlike the long chain fatty acid na galing, ito po, pag kinain natin, in-ingest natin, natatransport sa body, nasa stock pa ito as fats sa muscles, sa liver, minsan fatty acids, kaya long chain fatty acids compared with the MCT na mas better ang absorption at hindi na nasa-store as fat. Kasi fatty acids po ito, di ba? So, ayan po, ingesting MCT can generate ketone bodies and can suppress memory declining effectivity. So, nakakatulong pa rin siya sa pag-suppress ng memory declining effectively. Sorry. Okay. So, ito po yung study na ginamit niya itong bago nating product, and they used it for 12 weeks, meaning 3 months. And with regards to comprehensive memory, which is a combination of the visual and the language memory, nag-improve po siya significantly. Yung visual memory, ang visual memory po is the ability to remember where things are placed in the face of the person. Di ba tayo, nilagay mo dito, yung wallet mo, hindi mo na maalala kung saan nakalagay. So ito, ginamitan nila nitong supplement na to, and nag-improve. As you can see here in the red line, nag-improve po sa test group after 3 months. And then the language memory is the ability to remember what the person said and the name of the person. Minsan di ba tayo, sino nga ito? Anong pangalan nga nito? Hindi na maalala. So ito, language memory, nag-improve din po by taking this plasmalogen. Okay. So, ang effect po sa atin, yung pag may Alzheimer's, affected by heredity and lifestyle, pero ito pong plasmalogen, defensive action against oxidative stress. Yung para naman sa polymerization of amyloid, ang effect naman ng ating plasma, as a review, it inhibits polymerization and accelerates decomposition of amyloid B. Yun yung amyloid B ang responsible, di ba, sa Alzheimer's. Degeneration and deterioration of the nerve cells, syempre, nag-age, nasisira yung mga nerve cells natin. Ang effect naman ng plasmalogen is to suppress the apoptosis or the destruction of the nerve cells. So, it prevents the declining of in recognition ability. Okay? Pag may Alzheimer's. So, ito, nakakatulong siya in this manner. Okay? So, of course, prevention is also important. So, it's so important for early detection and early prevention. Parati naman tayo, di ba? Get balanced daily nutrition of vegetables, fruits, fish, meat. Tapos yung tea and red wine can also be taken, pero in moderation lang. Tapos it's also good to activate brain activity. Yung mag-work din ang brain, like reading books, playing games, writing articles. Kaya di ba nakita natin sa mga yung mga home for the aged, mayroon silang activity na napapaaga na pa rin yung utak. it's important. Okay, so of course, exercise habits. Kailangan nag-exercise din. And so society relationship. Talk to family members or neighbors or friends. It's important din po. Kailangan natin yung para hindi tayo agad mag-Alzheimer's. There's also simple testing, which is the PET or the positron emission tomography. This is a test by biomarker. Okay. So ito po ang ating product, Plasmalogen. Take it once a day lang. So, ang capsule niya is plant-based, soft capsule, easy to digest, syempre. And one bottle has 90 capsules, 1 capsule per day, so 3 months na po. Remember kanina yung study, 3 months ginamit, nagkaroon siya ng effect. So, we can just, tama ba ako? 120, 3 months, ilang, yeah, 120 days. So, ito po, 3 months, 90, 60, 90, 4 months pala ang ano, no? 120 days. So anyway,
3 months. Kasi 90 eh. 30, 30, 30.
no, yung study, weeks, 12 weeks, tama.
12 weeks. 3 months,
Yeah, so tama, ang isang bottle, 3 months natin i-take, and based on the study, meron nang mararamdamang effect. So this is 2,200. If you divide it by 3, mura lang naman per month. Okay? So yan, we take it once a day. And of course, recommendation, syempre for those who forgets people's space, yung mga nagsisimula ng nakaka-experience itong mga na-mention natin earlier, which is, sabi natin, parang part ng pagtanda. Pero kung kaya naman natin na ma-prevent na hindi na maglala or mag-improve, try taking this. And precautions, dapat daw we take this with water. Hindi pwedeng uminom nito na without water. Unlike yung mga supplements natin na taktak sa bibig, pwede na. This, you have to take water. And hindi po ito gamot, so it will improve. Pero hindi pwede mag-take ng madami. Kasi sinabi, baka pag uminom ako ng marami, magagaling na yung Alzheimer's. Hindi. Hindi siya dapat i-take in large amount. Dapat sumunod sa recommended dosage, which is 1 capsule per day. Siyempre, hindi naman pwede sa pregnant and nursing para safe. Tapos, dahil this is seafood, galing sa krill, galing sa ano, so hindi pwede ito sa may mga allergy po sa seafoods. Tapos kung mayroon kayong maramdaman na any adverse effects, stop taking it and consult your doctor. Meron silang Alzheimer's self-simple test. So ito, siguro mas maganda po nito, i-copy natin, and ourselves, we can try to test ourselves or yung sino mang gusto nating i-test. And pag meron daw kasing 6 na yes, medyo kailangan natin mag-consult or kailangan na natin ng kumbaga mas more active prevention. So, number 1, forgetting the name of a friend or name of an item. Number 2, asking questions or saying the same thing over and over again, paulit-ulit. Number 3, are you unable to perform the work that is familiar to you? Dati mo na ginagawa pero hindi mo na magawa ngayon. Number 4, getting forgetfulness. Yung hindi na maalala ang mga instructions sa mga, halimbawa sa mga gamit sa bahay. Number 5, putting things in unreasonable places. Halimbawa, yung prutas daw nilagay sa cabinet. Yung rail nilagay sa refrigerator. These are signs. So, number 6, will do house cleaning. You do not have the will to do house cleaning or housework. You do not want to do the hobbies you used to like. Number 7, do you often forget what day is it today? O yung mga nakakalimutan kung anong araw na ngayon, beware. So, do you often buy the same item? Or has your personality changed? Number 10, making ridiculous excuses while making mistakes. So, ito po yung 10 questions na pag na may 6 yes ka daw, may positive test na yon. So, yan po, that's all for my presentation.